How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today we're going to talk about WhatsApp, more specifically WhatsApp backup. How to back up your WhatsApp the correct way and how to recover all your WhatsApp data when needed. So, without further ado, let's begin. And the first thing I have to tell you is there are actually two different ways you can back up all your WhatsApp information. The typical way most people do is they open up the WhatsApp app, they go here to You at the bottom right corner, then they go to Chats, and then they go to Chat Backup. And right here, they tap on Backup Now and they have their backups. But the problem is, generally, when you back up all your data using the built-in backup feature inside the WhatsApp app, it generally has issues, especially if you have a ton of information on your WhatsApp. So a lot of photos, videos, chats, stickers, audio messages, documents, and so on. So generally what happens is you back up here using the built-in feature, but then when you need to recover your WhatsApp data, you see something like this. This is so common. So a lot or most or maybe all of your media is corrupted. So you actually have a backup, but it's not a very good backup because a lot of the data just simply isn't there because the built-in backup feature inside the WhatsApp app doesn't really work. It's badly implemented and I don't recommend you to back up this way. So my recommendation for the best backup you can do is the second option, which is the iPhone backup. That's right, when you back up your iPhone, regardless if it's an iCloud backup or a computer backup, doesn't matter, you will create a complete copy of everything that's on your iPhone, including all of the data inside WhatsApp. That's right. So your iPhone backup will include all of your apps, all of your documents, your files, your photos, everything, even your wallpaper and your settings. And it will also include the data inside every single of your apps. So when you back up your iPhone, you are already backing up your WhatsApp. So then, if you need to back up your iPhone, there are two different ways. The easiest way is opening up your settings, going here to the top banner where you see your name, go to iCloud and then iCloud backup, and then you can just back up straight from your iPhone to the cloud. So you don't really have to do anything, just tap on backup now, and then you have a full backup of your iPhone, including all of the WhatsApp data as I mentioned. But the thing is, an iCloud backup is paid because it does require you to have enough storage, so you need to pay for that storage in iCloud, in the cloud. So if you don't want to pay for your backups, you can do it for free using the computer backup. So then you can go ahead, plug in your iPhone to your computer, Mac or PC, and then back up all of its data to the computer. So if you don't really know how to do that, I will have a dedicated card right there at the top, link in the description, where I show you step by step how to back up your iPhone. And then once your iPhone is backed up, all your WhatsApp information will be backed up, will be there as well. So it's way better to just back up once using the iPhone backup than backing up twice like I see a lot of people do, and that's not a good idea because you are wasting your iCloud storage with your WhatsApp backup, which is one file, and your iPhone backup, which is a secondary file, so you're just wasting your time and your money and your storage, okay? And now, last but not least, what about recovering that backup? So let's imagine I backed up my iPhone, that's great. I already have my security file with everything that's on my iPhone and my WhatsApp, and I need it. So let's say I lost my iPhone, it broke, or I got a new iPhone. So how can I actually recover all of that information? How can I restore from a backup? Well, if you need to do that, you will need to restore your iPhone as a whole. Therefore, get your iPhone to the hello screen. So if you have an iPhone, it's fully functioning like mine, you will have to restore it. So delete all of its data and files, get it to the hello screen, and from this point on, you will follow the steps until you get to the restore page where you can choose your backup. Regardless if it's an iCloud backup or a computer backup, you will be able to choose it and then restore all your information back. If you got a brand new iPhone, you just opened it up out of the box, that's exactly what you're gonna see, the hello screen. So then your iPhone is ready to get the backup. If you're not familiar or not really confident with this process of maybe needing to restore and recover, or maybe even if you already are at the hello screen but you're not really comfortable with that, I do have dedicated videos here on the channel, which I will link in the description again, card here at the top, showing you how to do that step by step. The bottom line of this video is, if you want to back up your WhatsApp, you will want to do it through a complete iPhone backup. iCloud or computer, doesn't matter how you back up your iPhone, but it's the best option. Don't back up to WhatsApp, the built-in feature, because it just doesn't really work. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one as usual, guys. Bye bye.